Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the Sinus, Foxtrot Yankee X-ray Yankee, and during the last flight we landed with 5 liters on the right wing and 20 liters on the left wing. We de-rigged the motor glider and we were able to drain all the fuel from the right wing. 5 liters from the right wing. From the left wing with 20 liters in the tanks, we were unable to drain it. And we had to put the wing horizontally to empty the tank. What we found is this: we have a problem with the quick connect, the original quick connect. This one is working normally, and the one working normally is the upper one. The lower one, which sends the fuel to the engine, is no longer able to let the fuel going through. So there is a problem with this. We have 3 quick connects on the Sinus, 2 on the left wing and only 1 on the right wing. The one on the right wing is working normally. The upper one on the left wing is working normally. The lower one is not. If we push this thing and we blow, the other side is blocked. We do not see anything wrong with the rubber, and therefore we suspect that it's some dirt that is blocking the fuel flow. Here we have the females at the left of the Sinus. Everything looks okay, and the rubber, the gaskets, the O-rings seems normal. On the right side we have the other quick connect, female, and also this one seems normal. Again, from the right wing, the fuel was flowing normally. So the next step is to try to clean the dirt out of this quick connect, and then we'll be watching closely the fuel flow during the next flights, because the risk of fuel starvation is here. I was very lucky to land with 5 liters on the right wing during the next flight. If we were going for another hour, we surely had problems.